Let's continue Python for AWS. In this session, we are going to discuss Python flow control statements with different examples. Okay. First, let's understand what is Python control statement or what is the need of Python flow control statements. Okay. Yeah. Let's say we are writing Python program. We are writing Python program. It contains multiple statements. Multiple statements. Whenever we run Python program, whenever we run Python program, what happens to it? Executes statement by statement and it executes all statements in your Python program. Yes or no? Whenever you run Python program, it executes from starting statement to ending statement one by one. But my requirement is I want to execute the statement when condition is true. When condition is false, I want to execute the statement. I want to execute these statements 10 times. I want to execute the statement 50 times. Like this, I want to control. Like this, I want to control. So to control the flow of a program, we have Python flow control statements. To control the flow of a program, we have Python flow control statements. So for this, Python providing different types of flow control statements. So flow control statement purposes to control the flow of a program. So to control the flow of a program, we have different flow control statements. So first flow control statement is conditional control statements. We write a condition. If condition is true, it executes statements. If condition is false, it executes other statements. For that purpose, we have conditional control statements. These conditional control statements, we have if else, if, elif, else ladder. These are conditional control statements. Here we write a condition. Based on condition, it will execute statements. And other conditional state control statements are iterative statements. Iterative. Just now I said I want these statements 10 times. I want these statements 10 times. I want these statements 50 times. To execute such kind of iterativeness, we have for and while. And next, we have transfer control statements. I want to move control from one location to other location based on the condition. Then we have two control statements, break and continue. Break and continue can be used to move control from one location to other location. So these are three types of control statements. To control the flow of a Python program, we use Python control statements. We have three types of control statements: conditional control statements, iterative statements, and transfer control statements. In conditional, we have if, elif, if, elif, else, ladder. And iterative, we have for, while. Transfer, we have break and continue control statements. Okay.